Vision is very important in everybody's life. It helps us to see things around us. But due to some disease, a person will lose his vision. Many times, person cannot see from the birth itself. Such a vision loss makes a person visually handicapped. People who suffer with the vision problem try to identify things with other senses by touching, smelling, and listening. They develop their power to sense more sharply. Government and many organizations are constantly trying to provide additional resources which help all these people to improve their capabilities. These resources can be two types, the optical aids and non-optical aids. Optical aids, or also called visual aids, helps to magnify words or increase the light intensity for the eye. These include bifocal lenses, tinted lenses, contact lenses, magnifiers, and telescope aids. Non-optical aids helps these people to deal with everyday problem. It includes tactual aids, that is, sensed by touch, such as braille writer slate and stylus. Auditory aids such as talking calculators, cassettes, tape recorders, talking books, and similar devices. Closed circuit television, audio CDs, and voice box with computers. Braille system. Braille is not a language. It is a system of raised dot which can be helpful for visually challenged person to read by touching with fingers. Those with vision can read it just by watching. It is developed by Louis Braille, who himself was a visually challenged person. It is most popular system. Many Indian languages can be read using the Braille system. The system consists of two vertical columns having 3 dots each. These dots are raised slightly on the Braille sheets, making it easy to touch. Likewise, there are 63 dot pattern or characters. Patterns of dots represent English alphabets and some common words as shown below. A visually challenged person is required to memorize these patterns. Once done, they can read text by touching these patterns. Braille text can be produced by hand, machine, typewriters, and printing machines. Many visually challenged people have great achievements in their life. Divakar is famous for singing. Mr. Ravindra Jain achieved his Sangeet Prabhakar degree from Allahabad. He showed his excellence as a lyricist, singer, and a music composer. Mr. Lal Advani established an association for special education and betterment of disabled in India. Helen A. Keller, an American author and lecturer, wrote many books including The Story of My Life in 1903. I hope you have understood this topic well.